Hi everyone, wanna learn a language by speaking with a native? This is it, this is the tutorial, this is free. How does it work? You teach someone a language and that someone teaches it to you. Wonderful, right? And it's free, as I said. Okay, you also have the opportunity to talk to more people. You can choose people in the community and start talking to them. Let's see how it works. First, you have to download it. Create a profile with a photo, the language you want to teach, the language you want to learn. You can be more than one. So here is where you have all the conversations. You can click on it and you can start talking to the person. You can send that person a recording, and you also have other features. You can correct, translate, copy the text. You can make recordings and speak, or you can write. You can also add your location and find someone who is close to you. I prefer not to. In the community, you choose the person you want to talk to, more than one if you want. In the chats is where you have the people you usually talk to. Let's check out the clubs. You can choose a club and there you post things and you can talk to some members. Then you also have the parties. Here you can choose one and you listen to people talking and you can even participate. You just have to ask. You can use it for free, no need to upgrade to Pro, only if you want to. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. This one is really good if you want to practice. This is where I found my Russian teacher, and because of that I'm able to speak a little bit of Russian. So this was really good and I really recommend it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.